Hello everyone! Hello mga amiga, mga amigo diha sa tibuok kalibutan. How is everybody? I'm hoping that everybody are all well. So, welcome to Hazel's Emporium, and to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. Thank you very much, big time, for all your time. Thank you, and thank you. Alright, so for today's video everyone, this is another sponsored video from a company named Anyfashion.ru. So Anyfashion company is a legit company, guys, that has integrity. Quality of the product is the best amongst. So they sell pretty much of everything that we need. Bags, shoes, products like jewelry and stuff like that. So they all carry those kind of high replica product or stuff. So guys, Valentine's Day is coming, so give a gift for yourself. We all deserve that. Gentlemen, husband, boyfriend, best friend, to all your loved ones, this is the best time to give a gift. Valentine's Day is coming, so what are you waiting for? Did you have a lot of good deals from bags, shoes, products like jewelry and stuff like that? So they all carry those kind of high replica product or stuff. So guys, Valentine's Day is coming, so give a gift for yourself. We all deserve that. So that would be great to give a gift. At least sharing is loving. Share your blessings to your loved ones. So I will put all the information below in this video. You can go check online. They do have a lot of good deals for, as of now, inflation is here, so we can have to be practical though. I know we can afford to buy those expensive, like real one, but why would we, for my own opinion, why would we buy this super expensive if we could buy of almost of the same quality as what this very expensive product, right? So practically I would rather go buy this kind of replica which has the best quality, looks real, looks authentic. So yeah, that's my opinion. So let's begin unboxing to this. So here this is. Let's open up. This is it. Look at this. I am excited though. Oh my God. Smells good. I have this. The strap. Oh my God, looks beautiful. Another strap. Oh, look at this. I have this card. Beautiful. Soft leather too. Let's check closer. Okay. This has the LV logo on. So this has two zipper, you know. Cool. Both has a Louis Vuitton logo. Let's check on the packet. This has another Louis Vuitton made in France. That's for the card holder. Good enough for a wallet. Let's check on the thread. I don't see any out of line stitch. Let's check the strap. Look at this. How heavy duty is this? With the Louis Vuitton material looks like very authentic. Perfect. Goodness. Oh my God. That's all I can say. It's amazing. Looks very real. You cannot tell though. Let's take a look closely to this. I am not so sure if you can see there is a Louis Vuitton on each of the lock. So it has a Louis Vuitton logo to each of the edge lock. Yeah, super nice. Looks very elegant. This is where to put the strap. Let's try this on. And on the other side. Let's throw it away. Let's go the other one. And this is shorter one. So this has a pocket of both sides. Deep. I can have my eyeglasses inside and my wallet, small wallet. This can fit a bigger wallet too, so you can see that inside. Looks very elegant. My God, looks very real though. I love it. Super. So what do you think about this, guys? Beautiful, no? elegant. Look so classy. Thank you so much, Anyfashion. I like it so much. So here this is. Isn't it so pretty? I can't wait to try this on. So please stay with me in my try on. Thank you.